Olin kids are great kids. They've been selected, they're top scores and grades, and they've been selected to be creative and so forth, but that actually wasn't what stuck with me. What stuck with me was that these were freshmen and they were bragging about the cool things they had built in their first year, their first semester of their freshman year. And I had the realization that I was talking to people who, although not intellectually developed as engineers, were emotionally already engineers. Right now, we make students go through the math science death march for 3-4 years. So we make them eat their spinach, and then at the end we give them some chocolate, the chocolate of design. So Olin gives them the chocolate first, says eat some spinach and that will let you eat better chocolate. So we had this 1-credit course, which we ended up calling Introduction to the Missing Basics of Engineering. We worked with Olin to bring over a version of user-oriented collaborative design. We brought over FIBI, we brought over Foundations of Business and Entrepreneurship. One of our students raised her hand and she said, this isn't an improvement or a suggestion, it's just a comment. I just want to say that we weren't sure that you were serious about us doing what we wanted to do. And then we realized you were, and it was really cool. It's about kids believing in themselves and believing they're engineers. And I said, you know, I don't know how, but I think with this little pea shooter of a course, we're getting something like the Olin effect. If there wasn't an Olin, you'd have to invent it. Olin really is a beacon to others. You know, one of my pet projects has been to try to take the principles that we found for larger schools like Illinois and the ideas embedded in Olin and figure out a way whether those can't change the world of engineering education in the United States and globally.